Hey there, Justin. How are you? My name is Leo from Arona Marketing. I actually spoke with Katie earlier about getting this video sent over to you. It's just a video with some tips and tricks showing you things you can actually do yourself to bring in more business using your website and or your Google business profile. Justin, I'd love to hear feedback from you, what you think about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful for you. So let's dive in. Excel contracting, as you see right now, I love that form submit that pops up. I like your logo up here and your form submit up here at the top. And overall, not a bad looking website at all. If I was to make any suggestions, I would definitely say you need to add more content because Google loves content 24/7. Bots crawl these sites and they're checking all your headers, they're checking all your phrasing, they're checking your articles, they're checking everything to see if they can identify what your website is about. So having more content shows them, that you're going to be a player in this game. It gives the bots more content to go through to search to make sure that it's command content that's actually talking about what you do. And then the bots actually decipher what this page is. So contracting, remodeling, those are things that's going to ping, so you want to make sure that you really add more content on here. Need to be about 1,500 words minimal on your home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords. And a buyer intent keyword is just the service that you provide and the location that you provide that service. I know you in Roscoe, Rockford, so it'd be like roofing, Rockford, Illinois. Roof repair, Rockford, Illinois. Rockford, Illinois, roofer. Things like that are certain phrases that people are searching every month. So you want to make sure that you're really putting good buyer intent keywords throughout your content. And you want to make sure that you're saving your photos and your videos as keywords as well, because those are opportunities to capture more content. See, this says download. It could say Roofers, Rockford, Illinois. And then when the bots come, they don't see these great pictures you have up here. They only see what's behind them. So download is not giving you any credit. Now up here at the top, you do have your phone number, and most people are searching on their cell phone these days, so you really need to make this a click to call. Whenever someone comes to your website, they can see this, push the button, and it automatically calls. I like how you got your quote up here. I like how you got your form submit. So you're on par. You're doing pretty good. I'll just like I said, add more content with keywords in here, and you'll be ranking a little higher. Now, as you see, I've got your website pulled up in here on the tool I use called Ahrefs, and what it does is gives me your Google Analytics and where you're setting. So this is your DR, this is your UR. This is the strength that your website has with Google, and this is the trust that your website has with Google. Now these numbers go up to 100, so you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. You got 84 backlinks and 21 referring domains. Now these backlinks are the cream of the crop. These are what really makes or breaks you. There is two types of backlinks. Quality backlinks, that's more authoritative and heavy with ranking, and then spammy ones. So you definitely want to stay away from the spammy backlinks. Stick on one that's more authoritative and relevant to you and your industry. You've got 126 keywords that you're being indexed for. Excel roofing, Andersen greenhouse windows, replacement Andersen garden windows. These are buyer intent keywords because they're the service and where you provide service. Roofer and Somerset, that is what you do and where you do it. So this is the keyword difficulty. This also goes up to 100. The closer to 0, the easier it is to rank that word. The reason I actually even reached out is because I stumbled upon the search volume in your area, and it is insane. The Rockford area is insane, and I'll get to that here in just a second. Window replacement, Rockford, Illinois. There's 150 people searching that a month, and it's only a 4KD. It just takes a few months to start ranking for this. You put this with some content. You've already got this in your website, but you need to add more content to it, make it flow with this word, and you'll start being indexed and ranked for it. Right now in your position 51, you're not getting any traffic at all. You're not getting any traffic really except for these up here. Anderson Garden window, you're in position 4. There's 500 people searching a month. You're getting 41 of those people to your website. The closer to number 1, the bigger of that share that it's going to be. All right, now Justin, right here we have the Google Guaranteed. And, you know, that's a great way to get business quickly, but once you stop paying, you're off this front page, and that's no good. So that's the importance of ranking organically. So down here is your map pack. This is the top 3, and you're not in there right now, and that's fine because there's multiple ways you can get there. With your Google Business Profile, make sure that you're always asking these customers, almost begging for a review. I'm playing. But seriously, it's very important for these reviews, because when people look at your business, they're going to go to the reviews and see what people are saying. If you got 4.4, 4.4, 4.8, people's probably not going to check the reviews because they're already seeing what your rating is here. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, because you do not want to mislead Google. At the bottom of your About Us section, there is 750 character that you can make sure that you're filling out completely and adding keywords in there as well. Make sure that you're posting photos weekly. Those need to be geotagged and geolocated as well. They will help you rank organically. Organic is the key. And then by adding citations. And a citation is simply your business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages or White Pages or Yelp. Because silly as it sounds, Google is just a big popularity contest. The more information you get out to as many directories as possible, the more the Google algorithm starts to trust you, and then it's going to boost your business up in front of these customers' eyes. And that's not just for your area, that's also for your surrounding areas as well. Now, being up in this top 3 of this Google Map Pack is going to give you about 30 to 40% of the traffic that goes right to your website. Now, down here is the organics. This is the cream of the crop down here. So Eldridge Roofing is actually number 1 organically. We don't count the ads or the directories up here, the BBB, Angie's, Yelp. They are crooks. Angie's List is going to send you and 10 other people all the same leads. You got to all fight for them and devalue yourself. This way, the leads come to you. So this is your number 1 competitor in organics. And, you know, not a bad website, but as you see, they don't have a lot of content. So if you implement having more content on your website than theirs, you can start to outrank them while you're adding those very, very, very important backlinks and things like the keywords and content as well. Now, this is what I get so excited about. This is insane. This is a diamond in the rough. This shows me how much volume each one of these keywords are ranking for. And again, the closer to 0 you get, the easier these words are to rank. So roofing contractor Rockford, there's 300 people searching a month. Imagine when you get into first, second, or third position, you're going to get about 50 of those, 60, 70, 80. And then Rockford, Roofers Rockford, Illinois, another 300. Roofing Companies Rockford, Illinois, another 300. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, well over 2,000 right here with just these 6 or 7 keywords. So you can add these to your content, but again, they've got to have a certain amount of content that goes with each keyword, so it's not spammy or you're not stuffing. But there's great volume here, as you can see. Once you start ranking, again, a percentage of that's going to go to your website, then a percentage of that's going to give you a call, and then depending on you guys' close rate, they're going to turn into a customer. Justin, I hope this video was helpful. And again, I would love to hear some feedback from you. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out any time of day because I can be that resource for you if need be. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Justin, I hope you have a great day.